Hello, everyone. Welcome to another live trading session. I am Dave, your host, and we're about to get into these charts and see what is going on. But first, let me know how you're doing. Let me know where you're watching us from, and hopefully we could catch some good trades today. Let me know. Don't leave me alone in the chat. Also, oh, sorry. Remember to like, remember to subscribe because we do this for you. All right. Taking a quick look at gold here. We had a pretty interesting drop. Let me just switch over my charts to the Black Arrow platform we use. Let me close this for a second. Let's close this. So right before this live, we do a live session on Discord, so where everybody could talk, exchange ideas, etc., etc. So we had a quick one this morning, and then we were looking at gold. People were talking about how they were taking trades in gold, so it had me interested. You guys know I'm not a big gold trader, but we have a lot of gold traders in the fivers, so it was an interesting one to look at. So that's what I want to look at right now. I want to look at gold and maybe take a gold trade today because we've had this massive drop here. Maybe we wait for a retest. This area looks interesting to me. There was some news regarding Trump and that Hormuz missile attack. I need to double check what the exact news was, but I think we might have a setup here. So a couple of scenarios that come to mind right now. I'm not, we're going to zoom out and look at the asset a little bit deeper, but a couple interesting setups we might have. We had a drop here. So usually you will retrace to an area of interest. So this was previous support might become resistance. So we might come back, test this area, get rejected, and then continue lower. That would be the exact same setup that we had yesterday on the indices. And I'll show you a couple of interesting trades that I took. And so that's possibility number one, break, maybe have a little double top here and then go retest these lows. So that's one possibility, one setup we might be able to take. I'll have to zoom out to redefine this. But another possibility is, okay, we're recovering here, and then we're going to maybe pull back and continue higher, go retest these highs intraday, and maybe push higher. So that would be the bullish case. We have a bearish case. And then, of course, we know it's gold. We might not continue and move sideways. So we'll see what happens during the market. But I'm interested in taking a trade in gold today. So we'll see if the risk makes sense. If we could find a good position, then we will take the trade. But in the meantime, let me know how you guys are doing. Let me know in the comments how you're doing. Let me know what you're trading. Do you have things you want me to look at? And then I want to remind everybody that we still have the competition going on. My bet yesterday. So let me pull up give me 1 second here. I'm going to pull up the bet that we made regarding the we could bet on the World Cup games. So I'm going to pull that up. Where is that? Give me 1 second. I'm pulling up. There we go. We had the live trading championship. So that's the leaderboard, but I am looking for the games we could bet on. 1 second. So actually the link should be in the description. So let's look in the description. I should have this ready made. Okay, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the predictions, and then you guys can make your predictions. All right, so you go in. Let's see which match we have going on. That's the kickoff. I'm logged in. Man, that was a crazy match between Egypt and Argentina. Where is it? Match. I guess we don't have a game right now. Okay, I'll wait for the games to load and then we'll go back to that. But yeah, you could still go and make your game predictions. All right, so let's look at these charts and see what we could get into. The chat is quiet, guys. Let me know where you're watching us from. Let me know how you're doing. Let me know what you're trading. We're going to get into these charts and see what we can find. So as usual, we're going to start with the indices. Let's take a quick look at the ES. Actually, no, let's start with gold. We started with gold earlier. Let's start with gold to see if we could find somewhat of a setup. Okay, so let's zoom all the way back out to the weeklies. So I remember at the beginning of the week, we looked at this. We saw the open was way above. We kind of wicked higher, and then we're pushing lower. So now we're below last week's open. So that's a pretty bearish sign. Does this mean that in the next few weeks we might go and test these lower levels? So go and test those 375s the way I discussed a couple of days ago. Maybe. We'll see. We're seeing the price of oil go back up. We're seeing a little bit of uncertainty, in Hormuz. This should be bullish for gold, but yeah, we shall see. Again, this is adjusted. Let me get this out of the way. There we go. This is the next area, the next cluster, I think, that is of interest for me. I mean, in my opinion, there is room to go much lower. So here, maybe a pullback, but all the way to this level right here, right? Because that's the cluster in mid 2025 where we took off from. And then if we measure percentage-wise, so let me restart this. That's a weekly chart, by the way. If we measure percentage-wise from the top here, we're down about 27%. So generally, in a bull market, a pullback up to 30% is still considered somewhat bullish, right? So from this base, we ran up. So we had a huge base here. If we take the bottom of this base from 2023, and this is a weekly chart, and we go up, that's over 200%, right? So the 50% area, and this is why this area is of interest to me, a 50% pullback, or let's call it a 50% discount, would be around here, would be around 36.47. So that discount is what I'm looking for. You know, when you go to the supermarket and they tell you, oh, this is 50% off, well, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for that 50% discount for, of course, a continuation longer term. So we're talking, you know, a few weeks of moving down, retesting these levels, breaking out, maybe forming a higher base, and then gradually restarting this trend. Now we're talking over multiple weeks, not daily, but that's what so far I am looking for. So we're gonna see what happens with gold. Of course, I hear my doorbell ringing. That means somebody's in the background. I don't know if you're ready. Alejandra's in the house. How you doing? How you doing?
Good morning, everybody.
Good
Sorry, I was having
morning.
technical difficulties.
Technical difficulties?
Yeah,
You
since
mean you
last
couldn't roll
night.
to bed? I'm joking.
that that too.
I'm joking.
No, since last night, my Wi-Fi or my connection or my network, it like kept freezing my TikTok. Something happened where like literally only like five people were showing up on TikTok, and I was just like, you know what, I don't have the patience for this. So I pretty much just shut everything off. I restarted everything. So you know how usually you have like your tabs already open. I had to like literally open everything again.
Oh wow, man! You said
Um,
5 people just showed up.
yeah, usually
Yeah,
I have like a
that
hundred
shouldn't be. Yeah,
plus.
that's an issue. Are you being Were you? Did you think, oh, I'm being shadow banned or something?
Yes, for sure. Something happened.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh man. Oh, we have Jorge Miguel. How you doing? How you doing? We have
Morning. Good morning.
Anonymous Kills, whose name is
Ooh,
Pineapple, who was live with us
all right.
on Discord earlier. Welcome back. We have Alejandra here, so we're happy. I'm not alone.
Yay! Also, by the way, I do
Yeah.
apologize in advance if my internet does go out again because it's already lagging pretty bad. So I
Okay.
just saying.
No problem. No problem.
I have to call my Wi-Fi people. But anyway, how's the market? Last night I took a long. I was so surprised I took longs.
What? What's going on?
I don't know. I think the retreat changed me.
That's great.
I
Retreat
was like,
changed you for the
face,
better.
yeah. Oh, I'm from Amsterdam. Wow, that's so
Nice,
cool how people
nice.
from all over the
Yeah, people are
country.
from all over here, all
So
over the
cool.
world. So yeah, I mean, if you want to share, we were looking at gold because we were talking about gold before you came in. There's been this massive drop everywhere, but on gold as well. But yeah, let's see what you're looking at.
Yeah, I just pulled up my charts. Can you see my charts or
Yep,
no?
you're about to be live in 1 second. All right, you're live.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so it pretty much wow, what a drop. So
Yep.
I was wondering if we were going to hold this consolidation area, and from what it seems like, it just didn't want to hold. So, yeah, it like pretty much got perfectly rejected at this volume profile. And then I have this blue line here, which I think is my order block. Um,
What, the 4123, the blue one?
yeah, no, I don't. Yeah, is it an order block? It's this order block here. This was the last set of candles that pushed the price lower before we broke out. It used it as support, broke through it, used it as resistance here again, and holy moly, how
Yep.
did I not catch that? Well, it was overnight, so that's kind of a
Yeah,
bummer.
it would have been hard. It would have been hard to catch this one. But
Yeah,
we're getting a retest. So I was discussing this morning, is this an opportunity to wait for a retest of this previous low you have here around those 40, call it 4120s,
right.
for another move lower, or is this going to be the recovery? So that's what we're going to see. But I
Um,
feel it might be, we might see another push. I don't know. We'll see.
yeah, so it's kind of tricky when it's at around this level because um, if you see this green box on the daily time frame, this is well, actually, this is my weekly bullish fair value gap that I have here, which is pretty much my area of demand. And when it's at that area, I don't like to short near this area because for me, like last time I tapped into it, we had a really big, nice bullish run. So since it tapped into it once, twice, three times, after the third touch, typically, it should be ready to move from there and give us a nice bullish momentum. So what I'm thinking is maybe since it's holding ground here and holding the floor, it's tapping back into that floor. So I would be more inclined to look for confirmation to go long. And I mean the short already happened. So if anything, I mean maybe what it can do is since it already broke this uptrend here, like you said, maybe what we can look for is a continuation to the downside to go sweep these lows down here, or maybe even these lows for it to like start reversing back up, type of thing. You know?
Yeah. Yeah. So short term, that's exactly what I was mentioning intraday.
Hmm.
Maybe we get a retest of a quick retest of these, call it 4100s, 4120s, and then that sweep before we move back up. But as we were talking about this morning, gold sometimes requires a lot of patience. So it will
Yeah.
just move, but it'll consolidate a lot before it moves. So yeah, we have to pick our spots. Okay, Pineapple is saying it's going to drop again as you took the drop at 4120. Okay. We got Justin in the house. Welcome back, Justin. You get confetti. Patience. We were back and forth
See,
in the background.
they're
So
boxy.
yeah, Justin did the first battle with me, the first one-on-one. He's over there in Asia.
Okay.
So
Oh.
yeah. He's Justin's been giving us all the nicknames. So Jorge Miguel got funded on Black Arrow going short on
Good
gold. Well,
job.
you get confetti. Actually, you know what? You get fireworks because it's still July.
Yay. Good job. Congrats.
Congrats. It's great to get funded. So just, maintain that discipline. And if you got funded, that means I'll be interviewing you very soon. So watch out. You're probably going to be getting a email from me soon so we could do an interview. Talk
Oh,
about
an
how you got
interview
funded.
for what? Oh, that's cool. I
Yeah,
didn't get interviewed when I funded.
I mean, hey, if you want, we could do an interview, but I interview you literally every day. And every day you show what you're doing and you got funded live. What else? What else does she want? Okay, let's give her falling hearts.
I want extra attention.
You want extra
Ooh.
attention. All
Ah,
right.
I need hearts.
Yeah, we're giving
Okay.
you we're giving you hearts for getting funded. That's all you get.
No, but I won't really. I can't really accept that because I blew it.
It's
I
fine.
blew
It's
I
fine.
blew it on Monday, actually, coming back.
So, do you want to try my overtrading app?
No, I feel like I would have an argument with her.
Because
I
now
don't
you
need
could
a
change
boyfriend.
you could change the voices and you could put whatever voice. Somebody I was talking about it yesterday and somebody said they want Alejandra's voice in there. So
Oh, oh, that's so sweet.
yeah,
That'd be cool.
that'll be cool. Yeah. But yeah, I'm working on this. I've again, so many people are dealing with this and I've dealt with it. I was talking
Mhm.
about how once I took 120 trades in 30 minutes.
She yell
So
at you?
well, not anymore. It's to help everyone. 'Cause I don't have fortunately, I don't have that issue. It's not as bad, but, back in the day. So Pineapple saying he would say go short to continue. Okay, we'll see, we'll see. It was your first day. All right. Taco trade day. Yeah, we had some Trump news. He influenced the markets. That's why we're seeing these moves. There was the little Hormuz missile thing. Trump talked and we got some moves. So hopefully he doesn't tweet while we're trading. Or if
Oh
he does
gosh.
tweet, hopefully he tweets in in the in the direction we're in, and then
Mhm.
we'll see what happens. Okay, well there we go. IG6207 was the one asking for your voice in the app. So
Oh, IG, good morning.
there
You're
we
so
go.
sweet.
Alejandra's back. You were asking for her yesterday.
Yeah, so Tuesdays I typically don't stream because I've been partnered up with this company of this fitness company that hired me to go teach fitness classes at like luxury apartments. So um number
Maybe
one, it's
maybe we
really
need to do a fitness stream so we don't we trade and then we do push-ups, we trade and then we do I don't know arm curls, whatever.
jumping jacks. What
Yeah.
if like every loss or like every bad trade we do like
Oh,
push
I'm
ups?
down. I'm down. I'm totally down. Every bad trade, we do some kind of exercise, pull-ups, whatever.
I'm
I could get
down.
a I got a pull-up bar in here. I could probably get a
You
pull-up bar in
do?
here. Yeah, I had to drag it
How
from
many
my
pull ups
garage.
can you do?
Yeah, record your voice for the app Dave is building. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see.
Um,
I had to change the drill sergeant voice because it was annoying. I put a calmer voice now.
Dave, how many pull-ups can you do?
Now I'm ashamed. I could tell you what I used to do, but now I'm ashamed of the number.
What is your
Um,
analysis on SPY? Will it go down or up? It will probably do both. Just
um,
guessing.
we're about to get into the indices where we were looking at gold, but we could jump into the indices actually right now.
Yeah.
How about I do ES and then you do NQ?
Okay, go for it first.
All right, let's go. Let me do ES. Let's look at the ES, and I'm actually going to pull it up here on TradingView. Let's pull up the ES. So we've had a massive down move, right? And the way I like to frame this is I like to talk about the store, right? So they gave, let's say we were trading here, we were buying Nike shoes, right? And the Nikes were here trading at $100, and then they fell to $10. So everybody's buying, right? And we need to find out by the time they get to $50, so basically 50%, are people gonna buy again and it's gonna continue to move up and go back to $100? Or are people going to say, oh man, I missed the 10? I mean, I bought at $10. Let me quickly sell it here at 50 and make a quick buck and for it to move down. So is the ES going to move up or down? Right now, it's literally 50-50. We're gonna wait for the market open. But what I'm thinking based on the volume data and what I like to the way I like to go about it is volume is people walking in and out or in or out of the store. We are smack dab in the middle of it. You guys can see how here the point of control is in the middle, right? And this is a very good area very often for the price to go and move down again, right? So on the open, what we want to see if we want to go short is a wick up and then a quick rejection, right? Maybe a second attempt up, a quick rejection again, and then we short that second rejection. Now, if it is a really, really good short, we will see immediate rejection and a continuation lower. And if we're continuing lower, this is an hourly chart. Let's kind of zoom in a little bit. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. You see, we're seeing here, we're starting to see rejection. That wick here is telling you, okay, we got rejected one time, and then they tried to buy it again, but it's getting rejected again. So we want to see, okay, is this area here, the 7,500s, which is a whole number? Yesterday we were talking about whole numbers. Around whole numbers, decisions get made. So we want to see, do we push up again? And what you can approach this different ways. You could scale in, right? Start with small size, or you could wait and go bigger. So we'll decide depending on how fast the price moves, what we want to do. But we are smack dab in the middle. So personally, I'm going to wait a little bit. I would prefer to see some rejection first, a retest, and then I enter short if it's a short. But if we explode to the upside, so if we push higher, we retest this area, retest VWAP, then we'll continue to the upside. So we'll stay open minded. And then there is one last possibility, which we haven't discussed, but it's always there if the market cannot agree. So basically, the Nike shoes we were talking about, if they cannot agree whether this should be $100 up there, $10 down here, or $50 here, what we're gonna see is arguments. So it's gonna stay in a consolidation zone for a while before it makes its move. So we need to always keep that in mind, right? I see a lot of comments here, so we're gonna see. Ale is the best. Yes, indeed. You could do an easy 30-40, SPY 740. Okay. Let's see. Um,
Thank you, Christian. Good morning,
Back
guys.
to the imbalance. 50% mark now. If we stay above that, we need that floor. All
Christian
right.
is very good. He's
Oh,
very good at trading
he,
options.
he sounds like it. Trading spy
Hmm.
those spies. Are you trading those spies zero DTEs or what are you trading?
Yeah,
Yeah.
usually he is.
Took your first trade at work. You're up 145. When you tried to enter another trade, it wouldn't let you. Any idea? It wasn't really sure. Okay. You have multiple fire challenge and one funded 25K
Hernan
account. Any
Gomez.
advice would be awesome. We have Hernan Gomez. How you doing, Hernan? Only
Buenos
zero
dias.
DTE. Nice. These were introduced and everybody just jumped on these options. Maybe I need to try option trading again. But I'm
I've
still
been trying to
suffering.
dabble into it too, but I actually just funded my AMP account, which is a futures broker,
Nice.
and I took my first trade yesterday.
Hey, okay,
And it
okay.
was
Wait,
a long trade. It was a long trade on a really dumb, like long.
getting real
Thank you.
cash dollars.
Gracias, gracias. Yeah, a great analysis. I'm actually going to purposely not set up my broker because I literally need to sit on my hands. Um, I
Yeah.
have
Don't
two rules.
trade your brokerage account while you're live. Please
No,
take that
hell,
advice from me.
I'm
I've
not
made the
going to. I'm
mistake a couple of
actually
times. Don't do that. Okay. Trade
yeah.
prop all you want, but don't trade your brokerage account while you're live.
No, I can't. I can't. No, I yesterday I did it by myself, listening to music.
That's
I
it.
actually had a glass of wine so I could like calm my nerves because it was my
Nice.
first trade, and actually, surprisingly, like it was that easy to like actually like enter and set the limit and set the stop loss. Like it was just like using regular trading view. So I
Yeah.
was really, really excited about that. I'm like, oh gosh, I'm just literally gonna pretend like it's a prop because I kill it on the props every time. So
Yeah. Just remember
uh
you can't reset that one. So
yeah,
I mean you
well,
can technically. It's just
we
it's just
can,
it's just
but yeah.
a little bit more costly.
Yeah. So
But yeah,
what I'm gonna do is I'm going to keep depositing like $500 each month just to kind of grow that futures account, and
nice.
then from there I'm gonna withdraw um, to fund an options account to see if I can just take a couple zero DTE option contracts or puts or longs. Because the boys, I don't know if you watch the boys on Trade the Pool, they will straight up like pick up any ticker and will just like, "Da-da-da-da-da-da," and I'm just like, guys, like I need to go through all the time frames to check to see what's
Yeah.
going on with the chart.
No,
But I'm sure over
I'm still traumatized from my options trades from Rocket Mortgage. I keep bringing back Rocket Mortgage
time, oof.
because I took a 5-figure loss on that, and it still hurts, it still stings right here, right here.
Oh,
Um,
figure. Oh, I don't even want to ask how much, but yeah, I took
Low
an.
5 figures, thankfully, but
Oh, okay.
it's still painful.
Good morning,
So
Tiana Gonzalez. Which prop firms do we use for options? Honestly, the first one I've there isn't one that I know of, but I think
yeah, I
Trade
don't
the
think
Pool
they're
has one,
they're
right?
I wouldn't know. I don't think prop firms have options for stocks. I think you still have to trade the asset directly.
Mm-hmm.
Options, I've always traded them on my brokerage account. So
We don't teach options here in this particular stream because we are futures streamers.
yep,
However, I do teach beginners, and Christian Cruz is a great mentor teacher, and we teach our community for free. So if you want to join the community, you can find me on IG with my username Alejandra Trades, same as the username here, and the link is on my bio, so you can just DM me the word freedom and then you'll get the link automatically.
yeah, and I
um,
think the Alejandra's socials are in the description, so you could check in the description and follow her there on all her
yeah,
socials. All right, we're
so
open.
yeah, so what I was saying, I'm going to wait 15 minutes until market opens because I think we're going to go lower, and I definitely don't want to miss the drop, but I don't typically like to trade right at market open. So let's just see how it reacts at open. And I'm gonna pull up another broker that I have here while we watch the market. see what it wants to do.
All right, we're seeing a little bit of resistance here on the ES. Let's look at the NQ. NQ is pushing higher into that area that I have marked here. Most likely I'll be trading the ES today. So there we go. We're seeing a push higher on the NQ right now. So patience. Interesting. NQ is holding better than the ES. So which one's lying? We don't know yet.
I'm gonna reset Black Arrow because my account's not showing up.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm just watching. All right. Let me look at these comments. Tesla 420 calls or 385 puts. All right. By the way, I think SpaceX is in the Nasdaq now.
That's what I heard. Yeah.
Probably why we're dropping.
Damn.
SpaceX, huh? Uh,
Uh, my
no, I don't.
internet is literally lagging. Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yeah, you're all good. Your streaming is great.
My tabs are not great. They're not. They don't want to move.
Okay. Maybe close a bit, reopen.
I did. It's
Good
black.
evening, FX Rafiq. Let us know where you're watching us from. Christian saying it's a vibe. Indeed, 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 indeed. Lavin, welcome back. How you doing? How you doing? All right. So we're seeing the pop we expected here on the ES. We just want to see, do we get rejection or do we get follow through? So looking at, again, area of interest. Let me put this on an hourly time frame. And then logical area would be around here. If we get rejected all the way up here, and then the second area we could look for rejection is smack dab in the middle where we are here, and we're already seeing wicks lower. Why? Because if you measure from here to here,
Yeah, we haven't swept the sell side liquidity just yet. Like there's still some lows that need to be taken out. So I have a 1 hour order block here.
let me switch to
That
your screen. Sorry.
it's okay. Holy moly, AVGO is pumping. It's about to push a new high. Apple's
.com.
giving us a double top. Maybe it'll come down before it continue. It can continue to go up. Yeah. So do you see this? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, you're
Okay.
up.
All right. So I have this order block here. If it doesn't go above and close above, then we can see rejection here and then continue to come back down to go sweep these lows down here. Because this is the low that I have on this level down here. So let me see the 4 hour. Yeah, so I have these lows get taken out before we can continue to go higher. Is that music?
Could you repeat? What? Is it music? Yes, it is music. Could you repeat that last part? Because you got cut off for a half second there.
Oh, yeah, I gotta call Verizon. I'm gonna fire them. So if it doesn't go above this order block and close above that blue line, then we're definitely gonna continue to receive lower highs to come down to pick up this sell side liquidity down here. And I will not take longs until those lows get swept. I would love to look for confirmation to take shorts. So I'm going to keep an eye out for shorts at that level. But I need to kind of see like this trend get broken like this. So let me show you what I kind of want to see. I want to see an attempt to break above, break this, retest that, and then I would like to enter short maybe right at this level and risk above the order block and then aim like that.
Nice. So I'm gonna be early
Okay.
on this one, just because I don't want it to run away from me, at least on the ES, because it allows me to control the risk better. So I'm gonna honestly give it all the way This is not the best way to approach it, but I want to start scaling in. I'm
Or
gonna. I totally agree with your analysis, by the way. And it's definitely the right way to approach it.
it's called
Switching to
being
mine.
patient. Patience.
I agree. It's called being patient.
No FOMO.
So I'm not in yet.
Okay.
How you doing, Colin? So similar idea on the ES, by the way. What I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna start scaling in right up there, around those 5100s. Now I know I'm definitely wrong if we go, above these resistance levels, but I want to be scaling in here. I want to be scaling in here, be scaling in here. This way I'll be building the position for a drop. And I want to see if I can get in 4 or 5 contracts on the ES for a move or more for a move lower. Just because I don't want the move to start and for me to miss it. So that's the plan for today. But I think your approach of waiting for that break, the retest, like you said, is probably the correct one. So we'll see.
There's a tweet at 6:24 that says Trump on Iran will probably hit them again tonight.
Well, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. And then I hear somebody knocking and ringing my doorbell.
I think my dog's getting used to the sound. She
really?
She used to go crazy, especially like in the afternoon when, it's a little bit louder outside. I have to turn up the volume on my computer, and freaking Josh will be like, doorbell, 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 and my dog's like, ruff, 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 like, who's here, who's here?
That's funny. That's funny. I have to lock. We have a dog too, and I have to lock the dog. Let me know if you're ready, man. All righty. We have the man, the myth, the legend.
What's up? What's up? What's
He's
up?
in the house. How you doing?
Good. How's it going?
Good. And you?
Pretty good. Happy to be able to catch you guys this morning.
Indeed.
Didn't think I was gonna be able to, but travel plans kind of altered today. So
That's what I was gonna say. I thought you were traveling. What's going on?
yeah, I was. Flight was oversold, so I was like, you know what?
Wow.
Let me catch this. Let me get this free money and fly out tomorrow.
Wow.
Nice. All right.
So we'll take that.
Okay. Oversold.
Yeah.
So we see an opportunity there.
Absolutely, man. I still get to fly out, and I get my money back and a little extra. Oh yeah.
So cool.
There we go.
We'll take
You home, Caesar?
Yeah, I literally just got back from the airport. I'm like, you know what? I'm like,
Oh, wow.
let me hop on with you guys and see what type of action we can catch.
Type of vibe. He couldn't stay away.
No, sir. Never that.
Live at asking, do we have FOMC minutes? Yeah, you could see here 1400 hours, so basically 2 p.m. we have, but that will be after the stream. But yeah, it's right there in the platform. You can see it. Zoe Vasquez in the house. I like it. We have more girls on the stream. Okay,
Yay!
girls are getting fireworks. They're getting balloons today. They're getting.
Don't forget to like.
Yeah, please like.
Good morning, Zoe.
All right. We got
Caesar,
Zoe.
if we took a loss,
have
we're doing
Nana.
burpees today.
Caesar ran away.
Yeah, he's like, I ain't about this. Caesar, if we take a loss, we agreed to do burpees.
Yeah, we're gonna turn this into a fitness stream.
Oh, you're talking my language.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm for it. Okay.
I want to pull up. I said I want to put a pull-up bar here. Alejandra said, how many pull-ups can I do right now? And I'm ashamed of the number. But I used to be able to do about 20.
Okay.
Okay.
What can you do now?
No comment.
No comment?
No comment. It's between 1 and 20. I'll tell you that.
You're leaving it up to the imagination, huh? Okay.
Indeed. All right,
Wonderful.
we're pushing higher. I'm starting to scale into that short, but it's looking strong, so I might be wrong. Don't follow me. Oh, I like that. It's looking strong, so I might be wrong. It rhymes.
You're looking to short?
Uh,
I heard
I'm
the.
risking this high there, but we'll see. Caesar's like, are you looking to short? We're holding VWAP. What is this?
Yeah, EMAs, everything.
Everything's pointing up.
Oh, I'm like, what am I on micros?
Again, tiny size as usual. Strength is
I'm
looking
gonna try
strong.
one long.
Go ahead.
Target.
Man, the Nasdaq is looking super strong.
Yeah, I'm gonna target a 515.
Woof. Okay, looking at the Nasdaq, this short is not looking good. I changed my mind, guys. I'm out of that.
Yes, looks good too.
I'm sitting on my hands. I don't like to trade New York or market open. So
Sit on your hands. That's the answer.
Yes, yes.
Let's see. Let me take a quick look at gold, man. This is. Did we have? This looks like a news move.
Some beautiful retracements and pops this morning. 820, 830. Pulled back the VWAP. Yeah.
Pops Mafia.
Pops Mafia.
You know who Pops Mafia is? I don't know what Peng means.
Let's see.
Whoa.
Whoa. Am
What
I in?
happened? Alejandro, you look like Steve.
Oh,
Did I take her spot? Is that
Yo,
why
it's
she gave me a
crazy.
link?
Yo,
You
you
just
are-
took her spot. You just flipped and took a spot. That's crazy. How does that even happen?
I was trying to figure out why it had me as Alejandro Trades. I had to change my name before I popped in. Probably something to do with that.
Okay.
Sorry, Alejandro. No good
I don't
deed
know.
goes unpunished.
I don't know what happened there, but you just literally took her spot. That's interesting.
She just texted me, oh crap.
I
So we're
think-
gonna figure that out. Apologies
I
there.
think she's using. Are you using the admin link? That's probably why.
I'm not sure. I tried
I
both
don't
of the
know.
links you
Let me
gave
just figure this out. Because your name says Alejandro Trades, so
It still does. That's so funny.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I look a little different this morning. I didn't get my beauty sleep, but
Yeah.
we're doing the best we can.
That's a nice mustache, Alejandro. It looks good on you.
Thanks. I grew it myself. How we doing this morning, guys?
Doing good.
Pretty good, pretty good. Happy to be on here with y'all, gentlemen and lady.
Absolutely.
It's been a very early morning for me.
I feel that. I'm kicking myself. My trade of the day was buying the dip on DRAM. I did not. It ripped 2% in 1 minute. So okay, I guess I'm
That
done.
hurts.
I didn't take it. I missed it.
You know.
But now I get to focus on futures with my boys.
Yeah.
That's it.
What you looking
Future
at?
side is the best side.
Yeah.
Not wrong.
Yeah, not wrong there. The volatility is pretty awesome. So what you looking at, Steve? Looking at NQ, ES, YM. What's your?
You know me, I'm boring. I like it a little slower. You know, and
Yeah.
it's scary. Those candles don't play. So I'm popping my collar there. Let's see. I'm
Yes.
basically focusing on ES. I'm gonna be waiting for my GEX levels to populate on SPX in the first 15 to 25 minutes. Then I'm gonna be hammering that half hour or break, maybe the 15-minute if it looks really good. But that's only in 1 minute, so I'm waiting to see what's happening here. How are you feeling? You already make your money for today, Caesar?
Not really. I made my money last night. I traded last night because I wasn't going to be trading today because I was supposed to be on a flight. But my flight got oversold, so they asked like, hey, you know, who doesn't mind, you know, having flexible flights? You know, we'll give you $800, and you know, you could fly out tomorrow. And I'm like, I'll take that.
Yes, I
Very
know.
much. Like, I'll take that. Yes, please and thank you. So yes, I just literally got back like maybe like 10 minutes ago, and I'm like, let me hop on with you guys and see what we can catch. You know, our favorite man Trump is tweeting stuff. You know, so there's gonna be some volatility.
Take away the phone. Take away the phone.
Yeah, it's been a while since heard him say anything about freaking attacking Iran and stuff like that. So yeah.
We thought this was over, but guess not.
No, just round 2. Yeah, no, it's spicy. It was funny. We were talking about it in my server. Oil looked a little bit too strong, and I didn't know why. But hey, there it is.
There she is. Hey, Steve.
I was thinking the same thing yesterday when I saw it. I'm like, yo, this thing is back over 72, and I'm like, odd.
Right, because that implies significant war premium is still being priced in, the risk premium. And yet, all we're hearing is we're right around the corner from a deal, everything's great, they love us, blah, 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 blah. So, I mean, it raises that little red flag in my mind. We did have the few ships being fired upon yesterday, and the Strait of Hormuz, I mean, it's open. What does that mean? Traffic's like 45% of usual. Any geopolitical, you know, shimmy here, like those. Oh, look at him.
We about to make some money.
Let's go. I love it. Long story short, the market is still worried, and for good reason, regarding the Strait of Hormuz closure, or at least reduced traffic. So I'm not in a rush to say oil trade's done. Wish I had taken a position yesterday, though, because all my equities are up like 8% that I didn't touch, 5% on some of them. So we shall see how it plays out. Oh, man.
Steve.
All right, more breakout incoming.
Yep.
What's up, Alejandro?
Steve. So I actually gave you like my personal link. I apologize.
I apologize. I was an imposter there for a second.
Wait, did you change your name?
I did, but it didn't take. So no? I still came on here as Alejandro Trades. I'm sorry, that's probably not great for your brand, but
yeah, it was funny because it just switched, and then we saw, you know, your face turn into Steve, and I'm like, wait, when did she grow a mustache? So yeah.
Stuff to pull off.
Do you want me to send you another link, or what do you want to do?
I figured I'd bug Dave for another link after, because mine seems to have expired or something, but I wouldn't worry about it. We're all here, and that's what matters.
We're all here, yeah. So, sorry, Steve, I just saw your message.
No worries at all. I'm sorry, I was, scrambling a little bit there. Missing my DRAM trade.
No problem, no problem.
Okay. Let's see.
This is the short I was looking for.
You're short?
No, I'm not.
You flip long?
I'm not fighting the trend. I'm just trying to get a... so let's look at it here. We have a range. So we'll test if this breaks, pulls back, we add and we continue higher, or if it fails, then I'll look for the short. I am short biased today, just because my idea is, okay, we fell, we retested these highs. My gut is like, this is fake. We're gonna retest this and then push lower. So I was kind of trying to front run it, but I wasn't expecting to see all this strength. So we'll see. I'll ride this up for as long as it wants to go up, and if it doesn't, then we go back down. But again, tiny size, so I could take multiple stabs until you know, I catch my flow, and then we'll get the setup I want. Actually, yesterday I got the setup we were talking about live. Oh, there you go. Bought the highs. Yesterday we were talking about the reversal, which was an awesome trade, and I caught that reversal yesterday. Here, remember we dropped Caesar, and then we were talking about, okay, if this trend kind of shifts, then we could get a reversal. And yeah, I caught a good part of that, so that was nice.
Nice.
Awesome.
So we'll see.
Nice, I love it.
Well, there we go.
I know we're futures here, but I see my boy Pops Mafia talking about Peng. Do you mind if I touch on that just for half a
go
second?
ahead. Let me switch to your screen, and I'm gonna have to put Alejandra.
So I apologize. I'll get it for you. Well, this is futures. So bear with me just half a second here. Get to look at Alejandro's pretty face there while I scramble. There we go. Scramble, and should be good now. Perfect. So Peng here. we got the really strong candle. This thing has been torturing bulls. I would say sell 5 minutes ago into the 75. Right now, watch this 9-minute moving average. If it holds, then the trend can continue. You can look for a curl on up off of this nice volume shelf. You don't want to see it dip below 71. That's a nice little nook and cranny that it could run into before catching and pushing higher. In general, have some of your trade booked, hold some for the potential major breakout. That's what I'm liking here. Just because we have the strength in DRAM, I am kicking myself for not longing the open because it was off this rising 50-day. That was a free money trade. I'm going to see that one in my sleep tonight. Besides those, the only things that I'm watching here, guys, I just did enter a UPS trade. I got triggered on the reclaim, this big bar here of the 9 reclaim off of my higher time frame. Rough zone that I was looking for a catch. This is a very strong name in the Dow boring boomer space, but I like how it's riding up these moving averages, and I think that we are ready to push up out of the space. I want 115 to 120. All right, I'm done with equities for now. Over.
Oh. Thank you for that. I love how you analyze. It's so efficient.
Well, thank you. Well, I'm getting better because Josh sometimes he plays the Grammys music, you know, he walks me off the stage if I keep yapping too much. So I gotta tighten it up, you know.
Honestly, I got so like influenced by him too because I'm like, damn, you guys are so good. I'm over here like on a 1 hour time frame, you know, like so slow. So I gotta like speed it up and catch up to your guys' level. So I'll get there.
Slow isn't always better, you know. I miss plenty of things because I'm trying to motor mouth my way through. So yeah, just trust the process, right?
Trust. I'm gonna post the link on YouTube here, so I'm trying to make this pretty.
And I'm gonna get back to my futures chart here for y'all. Unless you want, do you want to see the gamma exposure update?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's going to be a little messy. I still haven't gotten this part of the indicator all pretty, but it's going to do what it needs to. So I'm going over to my other thing off screen to grab our gamma exposure profile for the day. We'll get on into it right here. So we will see it populate any second now, and basically we're going to be watching and waiting. Come on, there it goes. All right, so you can see that we're basically playing footsies with this big purple shelf here. If we can get above this, then I'm feeling pretty good for a long. So basically over the open, break the opening range at 74, 76 SPX. On ES, we are looking at, I think 75, 25, 75, 26, something around there. If we can get traction above that, I think that we make a break for this 7,500 SPX, and that is roughly from the entry, it would be roughly a 0.3% move. So a nice little day trade there. If we do get it, looking for that gap fill. Otherwise, signs of weakness, I probably have to wait for a loss of the opening range, that low, to get involved, and then I'll be targeting a kind of washout waterfall day with potential to this 7,424. Potentially a little lower if this starts building. That's what I'm looking for here on the gamma exposure front.
I love it. Thank you.
No problem.
You know.
Wait, sorry, I missed all of that. You said.
Fair.
Damn. Good morning.
No, I was trying to shut down this damn. Sorry, I shouldn't be cursing. This over trading tool I'm testing.
Nice. Oh, was that you dinging in the background there?
No, that was me.
Oh, you've been making money while we're yapping. I see.
Yeah, I see.
Some quick.
Share the screen. Share the screen.
Do you think it'll go fill the gap today, Steve? On that, I just saw it right there above that gamma exposure you have.
I mean, heck, I think that we had our first try right there. We're gonna try to make a higher low here. That's gonna be all she wrote if we do get above that last swing high. Draw that out here. You see, yeah, just that nice little gatekeeping wall there. Gaslight, gatekeep, girl bossing us here. But if we can get through this, we get the move. At least the partial. Maybe it stops us here at the swing low, the 74 or 87 SPX. Yes, that would be add 25, I guess. But until then, I can't be too bullish. You can see that price is having trouble finding traction. This was still a rejecting node. Till we get over that, we are in negative gamma and we can see acceleration downwards. I'm trading very small to not at all today personally, but that's how I'm kind of feeling here.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, one more thing, guys. We have FOMC minutes later
we
in the day.
do
So
today?
2 o'clock.
I know it seems way too early in the month, but I'm just like, ugh, okay. I'm probably not going to trade until after things settle after that, to be completely honest, just because it's been a good week for me, and I got the stress, you know? Sometimes I wake up with no positions and I feel stressed, so I'm going to chill.
So 11.
I have a question. How many is it? 2,000 ticks? No.
You said what?
How many? Trying to remember how many ticks is in 10 points on NQ.
How many ticks is in
4 ticks? It's
4 ticks per dollar, yeah, or per point there.
So
yeah.
40. It'll make me do basic arithmetic.
You could change. By the way, if you're using Black Arrow, you can switch from ticks to points, and it'll show it to you easily.
how do I do that?
Let's show you live.
Let's go.
All right, you're. All right, so let's do. So hover like below. Yeah, right where you're here. Press hold shift.
Hover below and
Yeah, hover on the hold shift. Exactly. So that's buy limit order. So click on buy limit. Just click as if you were going to put an order. It's not going to, yeah. And then now, just let go of shift. Now, where you have your dollar risk on the top, just click on the dollar amount. No, yeah, click there. Sorry, click on the $1,000. Click again. Click again. So ticks. So it shows you ticks. It shows you points. And it shows you dollars. So every time you want to see the reference, you could just click on that and it'll switch from whatever you want to see.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, there, if you click, it'll show you how many points and then how many.
Oh, so I was asking because like I was trying to set up like the bracket. So like when I automatically enter into like a stop, a market buy or limit, for it to like automatically implement the stop loss.
Yeah. So sorry. You could put your risk in dollars or in points or whatever you want. So if you go cash, you put the dollar amount, but go click the cogwheel.
The what?
On the right. The cogwheel on the right. Yeah, right there.
Holy moly, Tesla's still crashing. Christian, are you still holding?
Default is ticks.
I'm kind of thinking of going long here.
Did the cogwheel? Oh, I can't see the. How do you call it? The pop-up.
Yeah, it says default ticks, cash percentage. Then it's like 100%. 2, 3. Stop offset is 300.
Steve, did you say
yeah, the 300 is just the sensitivity, so don't pay attention to that. Just leave it at 300. But you can basically modify whatever you want there.
Steve, did you say you're thinking of going long on MQ?
I did grab it. I grabbed it about 1 minute ago on that candle close. So literally 1 minute ago. It's risky. It's working for now. But it's basically a gambit on that kind of break of the previous swing high and attempt to fill that gap. So we shall see if it plays out. It's a bold move.
Wow.
Did not get my usual confirmation yet, so we'll see.
40 points.
MU looks like it wants to go fill the gap to 982. Nice.
Probably because it's without me. I didn't take the DRAM. I'm very sad about that. But I'd love it if it pulls my trade out.
AVGO just pushed a new high. Wow. We should have an option stream.
Yeah, I'm always down.
All right, chat. Good morning. Wake up. What are you guys watching? what are you guys in? Are you guys in any trade, or are you guys just watching and listening to us? It looks like it wants to hold because it's already breaking above my order block here that I have on the 15-minute time frame. So that's why I was wondering if it was gonna go fill that gap to the upside, because if it does, that'll be a nice area for a reversal after it fills it.
Oh, I didn't like that candle flip. I think I might be wrong.
Ooh.
Let's see. Let's find out. VWAP here again.
Yeah, I'm still sitting on my hands. I am not touching this.
It's a great thing to sit on your hands. All right, I'll be right back, guys. I have to.
Are you gonna go do burpees? Or pull-ups?
Come on, Bottomwick. Let's go, Bottomwick. I feel like that scene in Seinfeld when Kramer's horse racing. He's like, let's go. We'll see. I'm not going to get too excited yet.
Guys, I'm leaving to Vegas tomorrow.
Ooh,
it's a last-minute trip.
What's your gamble of choice? What's your favorite thing to do in Vegas if you're gambling?
Trade the stock market while I'm there.
That's how I legitimately am, and it's a problem. I've legitimately.
Oh no, it's like, so bad.
I'm like, I'm gonna have an early night, guys. I want to trade the open. They're like, dude, how do you?
No,
think?
yeah, I don't like to gamble. I mean, like, I usually, like, if I go with friends, like, I'll sit there and just look pretty or just get free drinks at the table, you know. But other than that, I don't really gamble.
Fair enough.
I already gamble enough here.
I was gonna say that's what I tell myself too, Alejandra. But I believe you. I sometimes.
Is the chat like live? Because we haven't had a comment in over 5 minutes, and I feel lonely.
Yeah, I know, right? Where is everybody? I know we got some people from my Discord in there too. So
yeah, me too.
Shout outs if you're in there.
Yeah.
Guys.
Christian, Zoe, are you guys still in here? Lavin, I don't know if you heard us, but FOMC is at 2 p.m. Oh gosh. What a morning. Is our homeboy still talking? Trump?
Is he talking right now? Oh my goodness, I can't keep up with all of the stuff that's happening. I already am very strong today. That's interesting.
Too much. Oh, maybe.
Okay, got that figured out. Thank you very much, David.
Yeah, I'm back.
Nice.
Did you say?
So thank you very much. I had to play around with the tick from, because like the default is like 3,000, 2,000 ticks. I had to adjust it to where it's decent parameter, and then I can just adjust it when need be.
Nice. Usually I just put the dollar amount and then I play around with the quantities, like the quantity of contracts, but whatever works for you. Or I use points, so whatever works for you.
Yeah.
Whatever works for you, my friend.
Oh, Lavin said I'm in here waiting for my short to work. Okay.
There we go.
Does seem like it wants
I'm short
to
bias as well. I re-entered. I closed the long, re-entered short.
I don't understand Trump. Why does he like?
Me either.
So first he's like, we're gonna hit him, and then the headline is Trump declares Iran ceasefire is over. So.
Well, yeah. Well, the ceasefire's over because we're hitting them. So, why the ceasefire is over? That's a great question. Sources close to the White House said this is not a what do they call it? Geez, my brain. It's not proportional, is what they said. They said it's punishment, and it's going to go on for a while. It's like, oh, I thought we wanted to keep the strait open. Oh, okay. So, it's this weird situation where I don't know what the heck is happening, but if we keep on dropping bombs, probably they don't cooperate until we stop. Is how I would probably feel.
Can you fill me in? I mean, what happened? I saw there was a Trump thing. I saw there was a bombing thing. I mean, some missile launch thing, and then I tuned out. What's going on?
There's
Aw,
some
man.
volatility going on here.
I like that candle turn. I might get paid. So essentially, geopolitical BS is the the long and short of it. Iran fired on 3 ships crossing the strait. We were having about 45% prior Strait of Hormuz, traffic going through. So it was enough to definitely spook the market a little bit. You saw oil spike. It was also very
Yeah, I saw the spike.
coincidentally a 50% retrace of the move on USO or CL. Where do we go from here? I'm not sure, Dave. Our geopolitical policy is a mess, to be quite frank. So it's really hard trying to rational actor theory this when I'm not sure we have one in office, to be completely honest here. So I'm trading what I see, and what I see is slop, so I'm trading short term here.
Yeah, actually,
like
the
this
market
candle.
might also be waiting for FOMC as well. So I would like to see if it's going to fill that gap.
I would love it if I got the gap fill and then you got the short off of that gap fill.
Yeah, we both
That'd be really fun.
win.
Let's see. Lavin seems market waiting for FOMC. Yeah, that's a possibility. Happening today at 2, so that might be something else. But yeah, so far things seem to want to hold up. So that'll be good for Steve. Bad for me, but I'll take. I'll take. No, it's good. If you win, it's fine.
At least somebody's gonna win.
Somebody, as long as somebody wins, that's fine.
I like gold for shorts. I might look into taking a position on gold for a short.
I really wanted the long setup to work, and I think it's just not quite there yet. Nice.
What?
Got someone in from the Fiverr CFD stream. Welcome.
Top heavy.
Thank you, Sam. Welcome. Let us know where you're watching us from. How you doing? Actually, you know what? You get fireworks. Welcome.
Good morning.
We have
USDAM.
Keith in the house. Welcome back. How you doing? You get ready. We're celebrating everybody here as usual.
Dave, I'm missing my short because my account's blocked.
Uh-oh.
Your account's blocked.
Yeah.
There's a short. Oh, in gold, I hope.
Gold.
Okay, good. Come on.
Seems like what?
Come on.
It says active. Oh, I clicked the wrong one, I think.
Are you? What's the error? Watching from Dubai. Okay.
Welcome.
You're close to the
I don't do that
action.
very often.
Okay, I got it, I think.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was gonna ask you what error was it giving you, but
Yeah, I just chose the wrong account, so.
oh, got it. Man, indices decide.
Yeah, this is a paint and dry type of action.
Yeah, like yesterday.
Very tight range from 29,300. I mean, 29,370. Not a bad range, but.
Do we see a short on NQ now, or do you reckon we wait? Personally, I'm going to wait because we do have FOMC at 2 p.m. Eastern time, and there is a gap to be filled above, and right now it's pretty much in between 2 areas where it could either continue to keep pushing or get rejected from this level. So I would wait.
Yeah, I advise you to wait because I've been short for the past, I don't know what, half hour, and it's just been pain. So yeah, it's probably better you wait for the confirmation.
That's where I'm at. I'm in a trade. I don't feel amazing about it. I'm literally break even. How do I feel about it? I don't know. It hasn't stopped me out yet, so that's nice. But I think the risk to reward is there, so I'm just chilling. But it does look like that candle's ugly. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. It's definitely low probability and wick up. Yeah, so that's why I trust my system. I don't know what's gonna happen, but if it works, I'm gonna make more than if I lose. If we run it 100 times. I want to be clear. It might bomb horrifically today, but you know.
We shall see. We shall see. We shall see. Let me switch over here since Usam was asking. Yeah, like Alejandro was saying, we're in between. So basically, you know, we're inside this range here. We rejected here, made another lower high here, but guess what? We've been forming a steady rising base. So honestly, it could go anywhere. It could go up, could go down. Well, seems like it wants to go down right now.
Dang.
Let's see. Hopefully my shorts start paying off. But then again, we're still, at least on the ES, just holding this uptrend. They're buying every drop. So
making me sweat though. So
on
no comfortable trades.
On the uncomfortable ones are the ones that really pay off sometimes. Until we break here, retest, and move lower, I don't think we're, you know, the short is confirmed. Looking at the NQ. Yeah,
it's pulling.
Looks like it wants to push lower. We'll see. I don't know. ES is holding better than NQ.
Yeah,
I mean,
I don't love that.
Okay, yeah, it's looking like shorts might start paying.
Gold is playing nicely on my short. I'm probably gonna take profits at 40.40.
Sounds good.
I need this candle to close strong. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna bail for a small loss.
I haven't said kicked out. Wait, where's your screen?
Is that me?
It's you, but...
It's supposed to be me. It's supposed to have... Oh, no. I'm in a different account, so let's see. I can show you my... Shoot. What am I...
Is mine not streaming anymore?
Wait.
Oh, it is.
You were gone. You're back.
Oh, there she goes.
Man. The breakdown on screens.
Caesar on.
Come on.
It's fine.
Yeah. I'm on.
Caesar's on.
Yeah.
I'm on as well. My short wants to work now.
Does seem like it, doesn't it?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm gonna look
I should
for
stop on that candle. Dang.
I'm gonna look for an entry around 220.
Or what?
So I'm gonna look for a long at 220. Let me. Where is it?
SPX looks weak.
Well, now finally, yeah.
Yeah. I'm annoyed. That's okay though. I'm almost to my hard stop, and I'll take it on the chin. I was hoping to bail.
Hey, we've seen these wick down and move back up, Steve. You never know.
Yeah. But your trade looks good, man. I gotta say, I gotta give it to you. So we'll see if I can get just a little bit of a bounce to hop out in. Otherwise, I'll get hard stopped on the low of the day.
We shall see. We shall see.
I like the short possibility for M&Q.
Let's see.
I'm gonna grab some water real quick.
No problem.
Oh man, it's going already. So I have a buy limit at 29 to 21. Stop loss is gonna be 29,185. I might have to just mark it in and then add.
Yeah, that's the...
Oh goodness, I don't even want to come back. Or is that the chance I had to get out? Probably.
I don't know. It might be the reversal area or not. I mean, still holding.
Top wick. Yeah.
Let's see. Adding to my short.
I respect that. Dang. It's probably gonna cook me now. Seeing flow ratio shift ever so slightly more towards calls, but it still is pretty heavily bearish. I'm just looking for any reason to not just manually stop out here.
Let us see. Lavin saying kicked out from short. Suddenly ES looks stronger than NQ. It's not looking strong anymore.
Yeah, I know.
But I might be wrong.
Looking kind of dire, making me sweat.
So short from around here. This is the exact level I was talking about this morning. This yellow line here. Tried to catch it early, got faked out here, got stopped out. Took a couple losses. We'll see if we get, very often you'll see the trend break, and then you think it's a break, and then it bounces. You think you can re-add, and then it just takes off. So we don't know. We'll see. But if it does want to go down, then I want to target these lows. And it'll be an all-day hold if needed.
My gold shorts is playing out nicely. I'm probably going to move my risk into profit.
Oh, nice. I'm short with you.
On gold?
Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet.
Yeah. That's pretty tilting. It's always when I miss the opening play, and then I try to catch a laggard, and it always happens. I should never do this. We did just sweep liquidity. This is the last. Burpees, so I got to do punishment. That's probably fair.
So we're gonna do burpees.
1 minute.
Oh, it's timed. Okay, 1 minute of burpees. Look at you guys are the two fitness people of the stream, right? So
I'm all for it.
Definitely not me.
Steve was like, "F that."
If all of a sudden I become very fit, you guys will know why.
No. If I blew my account, there will be signs. I will be off as hell.
All right, I'm probably gonna trim one here at 40.54. Let her run out to 40.40.
40.54. Oh, gold.
Gold, yeah.
Nice. Pineapple, you said you shorted from Asia 41.20. Why are you crying? You should be celebrating. If you shorted from here, dude, that's.
Oh, wait. 41.20. That you shorted from 41.20?
He shorted from 41.20. Right now, he's like, what is it, 55 points in profit?
Yeah.
Why are you crying?
No crying.
I'll trade it.
I'll trade you.
Down $50 on mine. And just whittling away here. Only got a few cents left before it hard stops me. Sad face.
Yeah, just gonna keep one contract on. You want to be monitoring gold.
Monitoring the situation. I'm gonna need more than that.
There we go.
I'm gonna need more than that, baby.
There we go. That's the thing I don't want to see. That's what I was just talking about. You'll get the break starting. This is Caesar doing it. He's buying.
Thank you, brother. Keep it up.
Made $112. Just rocking out with like a couple micros. Didn't quite come down to the 220 level. Bounced off of 235. I chased. I'm out.
All right.
On MNQ, Caesar?
Yeah, on MNQ.
Gotcha.
If I did a couple minis, that would have been like $800-900 on this same move, but
nice.
I'll take my little win.
I think that was
happy tears. Okay, happy tears. Congratulations.
I'll still do some push-ups and burpees. How are we gonna hold each other accountable to it? Is it gonna be like
you're gonna do it on stream?
We're gonna do it live. We're gonna do it here.
On live. I don't got enough space behind me to do burpees.
That's why I was like, pull up.
And I do like some jumping jacks. I could maybe like turn my camera, get on the floor, do some push-ups or something.
There we go.
Damn, Caesar, you got guns though for real.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah, we were talking about that.
Damn. I haven't even worked out yet.
I'll show you mine.
Let me see what you got.
Hey.
Okay.
There we go.
Up on me.
I benched too.
You gotta, man. Gotta be well rounded.
Yeah, for sure.
They're saying Caesar, stop buying. Everybody's short.
Not me. Keep buying. It does look like shorts are gonna win.
Wait, Steve, are you still holding your longs?
Well, it hasn't broken low a day. It's teasing me. It's gonna take my liquidity and then run probably. I don't know.
I think this is for me on a 5 minute. It came and retested the previous peak where it broke out of 235. It just needs to get back over 300. Back over 300, you're looking good, but I don't like that it's still in this state. I still like the 220 longs where like it'll pull back slightly below. If you want to share my screen,
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen right now.
So you see this peak right here. Let me zoom in. Yeah.
You want that full mitigation there.
Yeah, so you see this candle right here, this wick, right? Prices come right back into it and reverse. Where I want my ideal long is the 220 right here, which I'll be risking only about 20 points. I chased, came up, took my profits. Yeah, look at that. It's breaking back over 300. You're good, Steve. Yeah. Sorry, shorts.
I've been lightening up.
Yeah, I'm not touching them on Q.
Carve it on out. Let's go.
Yeah.
That's a big candle. All right.
Horizontal ray. I gotta get more familiar with this.
The worst part about these trades is I get so emotionally invested in them when I know I should. It's not even about the money. I'm down $50. It's a very small trade, right? You know, but it's the emotion of like getting so close to getting stopped out multiple times and seeing big candles where it will keep me in this trade longer than I should be, I think. So right now I probably should be getting out break even, but for me it's like I weathered through this pain. I've put in the hard work. I got to see it through. And I think that's probably a flaw in my trading because I'm getting emotionally attached. Anybody want some sense into me there?
There you go. Sorry, shorts.
Sorry, shorts.
Good thing I flipped long.
They're like CC's. I told you stop buying, bro.
You knew.
Sorry, bro. I'm so sorry.
That's a big candle through VWAP.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get stopped out on my gold trade. What the heck? I was up 300.
Should have put some stops in.
I thought you were break even.
I am break even.
No. Oh, I thought your stop was at break even, and you took some out.
No. I didn't take some out.
Oh.
I'm still holding.
Okay.
It's about to
Steve,
stop.
you still holding, or what you doing?
Still holding.
What's your entry?
Well, it's an option. So I'm gonna. I was just had that account open. And I hadn't had my futures open yet. I was scrambling for that. So I took the trade when I saw it. Of course, I could have gotten a way better entry. So I'm sitting in it's very speculative, 746 call. Just one. Just having fun.
Yeah, if it doesn't break over, this is going to come back down.
Yeah, that was not what I wanted to see that sweep.
I'm going to rock with y'all, and I'm going to try a quick short.
No. Now he's fading me, guys.
You're shorting when I'm long with you guys? Come on.
Come on. Dave can't
I took a little bit of profit, and then I was like, all right, stop forcing the short. Let's just go. This doesn't want to follow through. And now he wants to see
some resistance here at 385.
I'm seeing the resistance as well, but
yeah, so I'm tempted. I'm tempted to like risk my $100, see if I could snag a couple more.
It's possible. It just seems kind of strong me here.
It's annoying. I'm risking the profits I made last night. Hopefully, I don't give it all back.
There we go. Quick.
I want a monster trade.
And she's still going.
I didn't stop me out.
But I'll take a quick one. I'll take a quick 50.
Don't do this to me, Spy. Not after all we've been through this past 5 years. You know what I'm saying? Like that, we just were on a journey. It was so close to stopping me, and then comes all the way back to my entry. Don't do this.
Spy's like, yeah, not today.
I don't trust the market right now. It could pretty much consolidate because it's in between a gap fill at the top and lows that still need to be taken out and FOMC. So I'm gonna wait on that one.
Yeah.
Spicy here, coming back into the moving averages.
Man, I was a 100-point pusher. There you go. There you go.
It's
sorry, guys. Yeah, I just gotta roll with me.
No, that's so crushing.
Be careful, man. Be careful. This gets back under.
Trade the range, guys.
Yeah, this is a range. That's why I hate ranges.
Yeah. See, when you spot it, man, you just gotta take it, man.
You're right. I got my jail. Get out of jail
by the bottom, but on
no
this
crying in the casino. They gave me a shot.
On this pull right here, if it, I wouldn't buy the 220s. I think it's gonna end up sliding further. So I wouldn't be looking to buy 220. Yeah, too many.
Makes you
Gold is
shake down
messing
before the
with my
breakdown. I like that one.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, this is crazy range.
I know.
Lisa made some dollars.
Gold is messing with my emotions too.
Your
Where's
emotions.
your,
Gold going.
This is a weird day, by the way. We have oil up, we have tech up, we have neo clouds up, we have the 10-year yield up. Like, what are we doing?
What time frame do you trade? Did you look on gold? Because I'm looking at gold right now. 5-minute time frame formed a head and shoulder.
I just got stopped out.
Yeah.
who are you asking? Oh, Alejandro. Okay.
Any one of you. Well, I guess Alejandra. Because I could see like where the short was. I mean, if he was up 300, definitely stop loss and profit, or break even. Like, don't let a trade go bad. Especially
No, I didn't take a loss. Or
Okay.
oh shit, I guess I didn't. I took a $3 loss.
Commissions.
Oh, pack it up.
On the whoa, okay. What I saw was like at 7:13, it couldn't go above 40.75. So I took that short. I was up 300, but I didn't take it. I was aiming for 40.54. I'm still short bias, so I'm gonna see if I can re-enter.
I don't like
What's up,
the
Mr.
5 minute
Perfect?
here. I need to see a strong close.
Hi,
in a
Mr.
couple minutes.
Perfect.
I'm probably gonna get stopped out and just emotionally. I feel like I don't know.
Emotional damage.
It is emotional damage right now. If we lose this last low in the view up, I should just bail, right? This is not gonna get better. I know nobody knows. I'm just like finding myself like the first shake, I was like, all right, I can handle this. The second shake, fine. Now I'm like, I think I don't care anymore. Yeah, there's the crack.
Oof.
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
Damn.
Okay, are we finally getting short?
It sure looks
Yeah.
like it.
All right,
Yeah, I
let me
got
switch.
that.
Let me switch
And we're
that
approaching
queue.
London close. Yeah. We're approaching London close. Yeah. Just, be wary. If this thing gets under 200, it could drop all the way down to like 29.30. So
Damn.
levels you want to look for is a closure under 200. A closure under 200, you could see price drop all the way down to 29.30.
Look at that sticky.
But yeah, but they're buying it
so
quick.
Mad.
This is wicked.
Matt
Buying it
raided me.
quick.
Oh, what a crushing wick.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah,
What do I even do about that?
we dropped and then they instantly bought it.
That is so obnoxious.
Jesus.
It's like dirty.
You didn't talk to it today, Caesar. You didn't talk to it. That's what's going on. You didn't
yeah,
talk to
usually-
it. You didn't massage it.
Usually I do, man. It's like, yeah, usually I do it. I mean, but today I'm just like, I don't got time for it. I'm tired of nonsense.
I ain't got time for that. he
But
said.
normally I would. Normally, you know what I'm saying? If I was rested, I would have been talking like, come on, girl, act right. But, I mean, that would have been right at the open. I mean, the move was at the open, to be honest. Like, you know me and my open plays. Like, seeing that support that it created at the 29 150s, like, I would have been in on that all day. And would have pretty much caught this run up to the 300s, and that would have been my morning. Yeah.
This is some BS price action. I'm going to say it right now.
FMOC
Yep.
minutes today,
Yeah.
so it's choppy. If you're gonna participate, you better be prepared for either paint drying or just choppiness back and forth, erratic spikes, erratic drops. The other option is just watch and not participate. But if you do participate, trade relatively small. And anytime you get a couple dollars, lock it in.
I like that. Yeah, absolutely. Small moves, never a bad idea to monetize there. Sure wish I did when I was up 15% or so, but you never look for that when you're trying to hunt for a big gap fill.
Yeah.
We'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm not in anymore, so we'll see what plays out, but I've had my confidence shook today. I'm fine just watching.
Oh bueno. Wow, the 750s was nice too. This is yeah. Okay. Steve, so you're not actually like taking trades like on an actual like futures, that you're doing it via options?
Well, I do both, definitely. I've just been having a good week, and I just don't want to mess anything up is where I'm at. So I'm just very, very cautious to really do much of anything. So I just wanted to risk, $50 on an options contract there instead of just when I'm not feeling sharp. I just like to have that risk a little more defined, I guess.
Yeah, and scratching that itch, right? Because if you're not really in it, like, and you're like, you still want to participate, like, I could risk $50,
Yeah, and I'll be the first to say I was on tilt today. I had one top setup, one focus. I was talking about it last night. I was talking about it this morning before open. It was DRAM, basically right out of the gate. I don't really like taking right out of the gate trades, but I knew that was the setup if it was going to work. I balked. I was, trying to get on stream, and my contracts ripped 100% without me in 2 minutes. So this just made me a little off kilter, I think, and more willing to, I didn't get my orb range break. I was talking about that was the signal, and instead it chopped me out, in that range. So it is what it is, but yeah, just a good day for me to watch considering FOMC and everything else.
Gotcha.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. It still looks weak to me here, though. I don't hate shorts, but I'll wait for the range break and the back test, essentially.
It's setting up. It's definitely for sure setting up. But yeah, today, like, I knew today was going to be a relatively choppy. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to sell off as much as it did last night, early morning, but I guess it was like due to Trump's tweet and then whatever he said for this to like rally the way it did. There was some good options. Like, I was literally watching this and I'm just like, oh my gosh, like there was a really good setup at the 29,000 area, but I was like literally at the gate just waiting. So I'm like, I'm not gonna mess with this, because I've learned my lessons, like trying to trade and travel, where either I get somewhere and I think the Wi-Fi is gonna be good, or the service is good and the service is not good, and then I just get cracked over the head. It's like it took twice, like 2 times, for me to like take some massive losses to be like, you know what? I'm not trading on the airport, and I'm not trading in the airplane.
Oh gosh, airplane? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Who did I hear was trading the airplane the other day? I
was flying to Dubai, and I bought like the premium Wi-Fi packet, and I'm trading. And this is like when I was doing CFDs too. And I just got crushed. I think I lost like 30-something thousand on that flight, and I was just pissed. And then another time I went to Mexico, and I don't know if you guys have been. Well, if you've been to Mexico, you know the line through customs in Cancun is crazy, right? So land there. I'm heading to Tulum. They're like, oh, you can connect to the Wi-Fi, whatever. I try to connect to the Wi-Fi at the airport, not working. I'm in a position on the Dow Jones. I believe I was long, and it was just dropping. And from Cancun to Tulum, it's like almost like a 2-hour drive. By the time I got to the hotel, I lost $38,000.
Damn.
Suffice to say, the trip was not as good, but I still made the most of it. But yeah, so those 2 losses, I was just like, you know what? No more trading while traveling.
Yeah. That's a good rule.
Or at least not leaving an open position. Like the second I'm about to hop onto that plane, no matter what I'm up or down, like positions are closed. So, yeah.
Mr. Perfect said, I shorted gold at 495 of a simple order block. Good job, Mr. Perfect. And then Lavin said, can we reschedule this stream to after FOMC? So actually, we will be streaming on Trade the Pool at 10. And I think Steve and I will be there. So you guys can tune in then. I would recommend for you guys to subscribe and click on the bell for the notifications for Fivers and for Trade the Pool, so that you guys don't miss the live streams. We'll see if maybe we can stay longer for FOMC. Steve, from down.
Yeah, US 30 is definitely known for them crazy ass drops. I mean, it's gotten a little bit more timid since then, but yeah, like it was brutal. It was brutal.
All right, I'm gonna close all my positions because at this point I'm exhausted.
I know.
You see me barely speaking, right? That's like, what are we doing?
Yeah.
I'm with you, dude. This day's burnt me out. Burn
Yeah.
me out.
Yeah, it's like stop me out or just go, but it doesn't want to do either.
If
I
you're
don't
up a
know.
little couple bucks, take the couple bucks to make you
No,
feel
I'm just
better. You
giving
know what I'm
away
saying?
all the profit I
What
made
were you
last
up
night.
like? What were you up? Were you up at least like?
I was up $795, and I've given
What?
up. And
What?
I was giving, I'm giving it all back.
You were up $750 and you ain't
Oh
taking.
my god.
No, not right now. I'm saying from last night.
Oh, from
Oh,
last night.
That's
Okay,
I was
so
just
you're already up
risking.
on a day.
Yeah, I was up on the day, so I was risking that and being a bit more aggressive on the short.
Why? Why would why would you be risking the whole 750?
Because I felt like it.
Okay, good,
talk
good.
your apps, Dave, and go do a
Good
bunch of
response, but
My
bruh,
app,
I mean,
I shut down the app a
it's
long time ago
it's
because it was annoying.
FMOC day. Like I don't know what you guys was expecting. I mean, it's
I
FMOC.
still want these shorts to work. I don't know. My gut tells me
It can
the short to work.
You're trying to
But
force
buckle
something.
I
down,
am.
buckle
I'm
down in the
doing the
hole.
wrong thing live.
Buckle down in the hole. So it's either
Bad boy.
Yes, the short is
you've either
working.
accepted the trade or not, right? If you've accepted the trade and the outcome, let it be either stop out or TP.
That's what I wanted. I wanted it to be stopped out or TP'd, but none of it. I wasn't getting stopped out. I wasn't. It's just wasn't going
It's
in
still in
any
limbo.
direction. That's why I was getting pissed off.
Yeah.
But it's fine. That's why you saw me be quiet.
Here you
If
go.
I get stopped out, it's fine. But I've wanted this short since this morning, and I started building it. And then I was like, whatever, built again. But now we're short, so it's either stop out or TP at this point.
Yeah, I mean, I'd be like, yeah, wouldn't you want
I
to?
entered short on gold again.
Wouldn't you want to like take something? You know what I mean from this? But
This is a crack of the low.
This is not good trading for everybody who's watching. Okay, this is not
Okay,
disciplined
so
trading, guys.
are you gonna do burpees? Because I'm waiting to watch you do burpees.
oh yeah, oh here we go.
Go.
Oh, okay, yeah,
One
one,
minute. Go, I'll time you.
2. Oh, nah, that's not a minute. That's like 2 seconds.
You guys are
Oh,
watching.
hell no.
Yeah, we watching.
Now we're watching. Your timer
The
is
thing is,
going.
I need a bigger camera that
I was saying,
zooms
like,
out.
yo, look at me, wall right here. Like, how am I going to do burpees? I just
Yeah, I
better
need
not
the-
lose. I'm just not gonna lose.
I'm moving my risk into profit for gold. I'm
Oh
up
my
$300.
God,
I'm gonna
Nice.
trim
I
half
want to
your-
share your screen,
Right.
but
No.
you know what? Let's do
Right
something
back.
so they can see
You can put more pressure on me.
something better.
Oh, this better go my way.
There we go. Oh, it's looking great.
Nice
I'll
little
put
wake
that
up
back.
there too. If I
They
was
can stop
not
seeing my
so
losing trades.
out of it, I think I would have entered short on that wick up on ES. But I'm just here for the show at this
I'm
point.
short for the both of us, Steve. I'm short for the both of us.
I love it. Make some money for me, Dave.
I hope so.
I don't think we're
burpees.
sharing any screens.
Yeah, it was. I was trying to share yours, but
What happened?
I'm exhausted from the burpees.
I hear you. I was about to time you. You only did it for 20 seconds.
I realized you couldn't see anything. You could just see my belly flopping, and you couldn't see me on the
No, we
floor. Usam
I'm
is
about
doing
to
the
trim
same,
half of
risking
my
all your
position.
profits on the day. It looks weak, but it could go south. Okay,
Yeah.
so FYI, I'm risking all my profits on this account. This is not a funded account. This is an eval. That's why I'm behaving erratically like that, guys. I would not be doing this on a funded account, full disclosure. So
There we go.
FYI.
Yeah, totally understandable.
There we
I'm
go.
about to trim half of my position here. Risk is in
Nice.
profit, so risk free.
I like it.
So
I like it.
why? Okay, this is Alejandra.
Okay, just trimmed 3, holding
No,
3.
this is
I'm
not
holding
Alejandra.
until 40-40. Let's
All
go!
right,
Let's go!
Let's go.
Let's go.
Come on, baby!
I
don't
think the
wanna
shorts
do
are going to pay
burpees.
off. So wait, what's the rule? The rule is
you
we
take
do
a loss.
burpees when you take a loss or when you
No,
because
when you
taking a
take a
loss is
loss,
fine.
of course, that's punishment.
Oh my God, that means we can't lose. I thought it was when we do stupid things like in
Okay,
and out of
fine,
trades.
both.
It's like we're doing burpees regardless. We're all getting fit here. Yes, let's go. Shorts, work.
Let's go. So I would like to see, this is a big level here that might be a little tough to negotiate, and they're still fighting for it, the 7450 on SPX, but I do think that we're going to work our way down and through it at this point. Just always a little weird on FOMC day. I'm seeing 7400, 50 points below, building up, so that's good to see for bears. Just a matter of kind of seeing the 7500 let go.
Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Let's see. This morning we were talking about it. That's the thing. I think my ego got in the way because I saw this morning. I was like, you know what? This looks like a classic pullback, reshort after a drop. So
I'm in
that's
short,
why.
fellas and lady.
Nice.
You're
I'm
in
short.
what?
I'm short
I'm in
everywhere.
short MNQ at 261. Yeah, 261. Just a quick little short
Nice.
after the 29,220. I think it's gonna hit. Just a little scalp rotating account.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Yeah, I'll go for the big bucks. I'm gonna take my $100, $200 and run away.
Hey, 100 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away.
Hell yeah.
The truth.
It's more like 200 a day, but
That's my saying. I was gonna say close enough, but
yeah,
I'm cutting it a little close there on 100 a day.
yeah. It's like you're not quite there yet, but yeah.
Oh, they're still holding on to the 7450 for now. But
I'm still holding on for 3
7,500.
micros on gold.
I haven't said 7,500 BRN. Yeah, we're right at 7,500. What'd you say, Alejandra?
I said I'm still holding 3 gold, 3 micros on gold, and then I said I'm hungry.
I was just thinking that too. I'm like, do I even care about the market? I do. I'm just cranky, and I think that's how I know I'm hungry.
Drink water.
No. Yeah,
I need to drink water too with some electrolytes.
Good point there on water.
Dude, I would love to have a bagel with cream cheese, but I can't do dairy.
There we go.
That's tragic because that's actually literally what I think I'm gonna go make.
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes that 2.
Enjoy it for me.
I will. You sounded like you were living the high life last night, though. Some lamb, did you say?
Mm-hmm.
That sounds good. Any sides?
Just potatoes and green beans.
Come on, baby. Come
Very
on.
healthy. I like it.
Bomb.
You're coming without me, but I'm out of it. But watch.
Yeah.
I'm in.
There you go. There you
Short
go.
everywhere.
Tap to 20.
That's what we wanted. I'm short everywhere.
Come on, break 200.
Everywhere.
Break 200.
I'm short everywhere. I'm short
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
short 29,298 on one account. I'm short 29,266 on this account. I'm short 7507 on this one.
Okay.
Short everywhere.
I see you.
I am up 600. I'm still holding.
Nice job, guys.
Noise.
I wish I would have taken it on my live account, but it's okay. I made a rule not to during stream.
I really should follow that rule because I was like, I had the itch. Instead, I just donated $50 of real money. It's like, oh, that was that's half of my day here. What am I doing? I should just chill. So that's a good reminder. I don't have to trade live. Don't have to trade live on stream. It's stressful sometimes, especially the open.
Pop back up. Look at that beautiful bounce off the 20s, but not in it. I'm happy with my 144.
Let's get I
Okay.
want to see a real breakdown. I want to get to that second target you have. You see that? What is
Down
it?
here,
Yeah, that's what I want.
This is what,
That's what I want to hold for. That's what I've been looking
yeah.
for all morning. And
It,
honestly, I would rather get stopped out than not hold this and see this go to I don't even care about the money, right? I just want that
so you want to
mental
be right.
satisfaction. Yeah, today I want to be right.
You
Okay,
want
I
to
don't
be
care
right
about the
versus
profit.
the
I
money.
just want to be
Famous
right.
last words. Famous last words.
Nah,
I'm
listen.
taking
With
one more.
me, I want the money. I want the money. I don't need to be right. I mean, so far it's I'm being right, but I just rather take the money and win.
I'll take the money on the because I'm trading in my actual account. So I'll take the money on the
take the
actual
money there.
account. It's there. We're good. You know, stops at break even is fine. But on this account, we want to be
This
right.
account, you want it to go. Nah, I hear you. I hear you. Yeah.
I'm
Nah,
still
so yeah,
holding two.
it looks good.
I'm up $800.
There you go.
Nice.
There you go.
Very nice.
Yeah. Gold flushing. Yeah. Once this thing gets under 200, David, you're good.
Yeah.
Under 200,
I'm holding.
it's gonna
I'm getting
slide real
stopped
fast.
out, or I'm not even moving stops. I'm just, you know.
I mean, I definitely would say protect some.
Nah.
This is a day where it's hard to trust
Ooh,
a
look
full
at
trend.
you, Alejandra. Yeah. Ooh.
You're looking nice.
Dollar.
Dollar bills.
I see you.
I'll close at 2 o'clock.
You're
I'm
closing at
holding
2
one.
o'clock.
I'm holding a runner.
I'm
still seeing 7,400 creep on
I'm
up.
closing at 2 o'clock. All right, I'll do burpees from 11 to 2 o'clock. Not to watch the stream.
You ain't gonna be able to get on tomorrow if you do that many burpees. You're gonna have to send a nurse or someone to help you ice.
Oh man, but yeah, I mean, look, let
There
me
she
show the
goes.
trades. Let me show the trades.
Breaking.
Black arrow trades.
Yeah, she breaking down.
So the target here is for the ES is right around here, right around those bottoms. We're short. We were short up here at that yellow line, but I kind of messed up. So I re-entered, chased a
You
little
got
bit.
scared. You ain't messed up. You got scared. You're like, I don't know about this one.
Yeah, I messed up. Yeah, I got scared. I did my burpees.
There you
I
go.
thought we were gonna,
There you go.
up.
90s.
And then on the NQ, we're long. Unfortunately, it's just we're green there. We're up
Dude.
970, 960.
Please protect the profits.
Okay, instead of 300, instead of 314, I'll risk 294.
Are you
How's
kidding me? You might as well keep it at the 315. Come on. Oh my gosh, yo.
Nah, I'm not moving anything.
Okay. Thug life.
Not today.
I hear you.
Not today.
I hear you.
Not today.
Respect.
Okay.
Respect.
I'm moving it on this account though.
I'd have been trailing this away. If it stops me out, I'd be looking for another entry.
Man.
Honestly,
We'll probably get a pullback.
Take my little base hits. David, if you allow
We're
this,
up 1,000.
trade to go from green to red,
Huh?
I said if you allow this trade to go from green to red, I'm coming out to Carolina.
Crowbar
I'm gonna knock on your door.
For
There's
real.
a small liquidity level here. We do have the 74.50, 5 points above now. So that is the failed breakdown. I would not want to be holding shorts if we reclaim that on volume. But until we do, I do think that we want to eat on down. Just going to be, I don't know, it's always so tricky with these.
Let's look at
These
these.
up-bump
Let's look at this volume. Let's see. Let me just see something. Today is how did I call it the other day? Mental masturbation.
Mm-hmm.
As long as you're having fun, that's all I care about.
Yeah. By the way, chat stream, I would never do this with a live account. Okay, this is an eval.
It is important to differentiate because, like, that I believe is doing it right. Because that's what I do too. It's like we're using the tool for its purpose. This is the tool to get a little bit riskier, a little bit crazier. Doesn't mean you have to. You can trade this exactly like your cash account. But if there's one account to get a little bit wild on, you know.
What you
Yeah.
want?
That's
What you
what I
want?
said.
Huh?
We need that wildness.
Want some attention?
What's the volume profile? I heard some trades firing. That's probably
That was me closing a quick
that's the
short.
closing.
Tell David,
Okay.
you better protect your profits.
Watch Caesar, guys. Don't watch me.
Protect your profits.
Caesar's doing it the way it's supposed to be done.
Okay. Today is a base hit type of day. You come in, you make some couple changes, and you move out. That's it. Yep, it's under. Let's go.
What's his or her name?
His pause. His name is Pause.
Pause.
Yeah, Pause. Yep.
Okay.
PAWS. He's an old man, 12 years old.
Oh, really?
Yeah, bro.
That was a
He's
puppy.
jumping, running, got a pep in his step.
Nice.
You can never tell, right?
Hey.
So we got Steve. He's not paying attention right now. We got Alejandra. She's not
Sorry.
paying attention either. She's busy in this gold trade right here looking. And then David
Oh.
in the short, and he's just not willing to take his profits because he wants it all or nothing.
He knows what he's got.
Nothing.
No low balls.
All or nothing. See,
Like
we're
I'm a
almost
Chihuahua mixed
almost
with
there.
a
Almost.
Pomeranian.
Guys,
Yeah, Pomeranian Chihuahua mix.
When this momentum subsides, I think it's a great time to trim. We're trading into a big level. I just told people that's what I was doing in my server there. I just monetized. I had a little hedge, but I don't feel good about it because I have longs, right? I just kind of did the math. So my ports kind of just stayed the same the past 20 minutes. But just letting people know I did monetize that hedge. It's into my daily trigger here. We are getting a little bit of a bounce, so feeling good about that.
80.
We shall see.
Caesar, she wanted to say hi to your doggy.
Oh hi! Look at her. She got a beautiful dog too. Look at that. What's your dog's name?
Ella.
Ella. Oh, so pretty. What kind is she?
Ella May. She's a Yorkie.
Yorkie. I was about to say, yeah, she looked like a Yorkie. Oh, she's so
She's
cute. Look at her, so adorable and fluffy.
And I should go get my dog. And
Yeah.
where's your
what's your
cat?
dog?
My
Steve,
dog is.
pull out the cat. Where's Mr. Whiskers? There we go. Oh, bro.
Man, I go get my dog now.
Right next to you. Okay,
Aw.
okay.
It's pet time.
Good people. See, good people have animals.
You can tell. You can tell by people how they treat their wait staff and their pets. I 100% believe that.
That is true. That is 1,000% true.
People be like, yo, the dog doesn't match the person. When I walk down the street, they be like, yo, sir, you're a bit big. That's your dog. I'm like, listen, man, size, that don't mean nothing. You know, I'm secure.
All right, I traded one.
Oh, look
Good.
at that.
So Dave,
That bounce.
just a heads up. So yeah, I just told people I trim because this is into my daily trigger. It's a system where I use staggered. It's a proprietary EMA that only I know. But no, it's a 27
yeah.
EMA. It's a 27 EMA on the daily. That's all it is. But
I agree.
it bounced
It's-
nicely up.
I got stopped out on my gold trade, so I'm up 700 for the day. I'm done.
Beautiful, beautiful,
Nice.
beautiful. I reclaimed. I clawed back my $50. Turns out that put did overhedge a little more. So now hopefully my long goes up. I'm down $4 on the day. So I'm fine with that. You know, it's just like I'm not going to win every day, and I think that that's really important to know because we can't all be Caesars and Boxy Daves.
Come on.
What do you mean?
All right,
What I mean is,
Up?
Caesar, you are a professional. You use the market like an ATM, and I'm not saying that to pump you up. It's just, come on, you know what you're doing. I'm a little less consistent than you, and I'll be the first to say that. You know, I've been doing it half your time for sure, so I'm not embarrassed about that at all. So for me, I just gotta recognize that I'm not going to have a banger trade every single day. And the reality of trading for a lot of people, as they're getting used to this, is it's going to be a lot of small wins, small losses, and stop outs. And it's going to be a lot of days that are frustrating, and you can overtrade if you force it. And so I'm taking this opportunity. I got an off ramp here, and I'm saying, hey, I'm basically flat. I have a small couple swings, you know, I'm that UPS call, blah blah blah. But in general, I'm feeling like I'm taking what the market's giving me, and I'm not forcing it. And the market can do whatever, and it won't crush me at this point. Look at this, by the way. Look at that ripper off of the daily trigger. My goodness.
So,
Oh my god.
I got out early. No, I got out while Steve was talking.
Thank goodness.
All right, not be cocky. Let me be disciplined. So yeah, we're up 800 instead of 1,000. We should have taken some profits lower. And then yeah, we're down 300 on the so about 500 on the day on this one. Don't be cocky, kids.
Tell them, take the money.
Caesar must be buying. Yeah, Caesar's dog is buying. Like Caesar
Y'all
buying.
already know too well, but unfortunately, I was over here playing with him to to buy. I would have bought there at that 150. That was nice.
Yeah, that was your level. Let me put you. I think it probably dipped into your level and then
Yeah,
reversed.
that's the other one. Yeah, from earlier this morning at 9:30. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. I saw the volume increase, momentum slowed down. So I was like, all right, stop being cocky, David. You're not gonna get this one. So I got out. We shall see. I'll give it a couple more. I'll probably wait until after FOMC and then see if I could get another setup. But I'm exhausted for this price action this morning.
Same, Dave. I was just typing in my server. This has been a DS session. You
Yeah.
know what? Honestly, I'm break even. I feel good about that. Somebody asked, is SPY going to keep going? I said, I don't freaking know, dude.
We don't know. We
All I
don't
know is
know.
I'm not touching it. Watch this 74.50. We just rejected off of it now. If we break a new low, yeah, we can keep going. But I don't even feel like I really want to take that trade. You know,
Yeah.
I'm so fine.
Typically, during FOMC, it's choppy like this and it ranges like that because there's uncertainty and people are most likely waiting for that time. So we will be live on Trade the Pool at 10 Pacific time. Steve, do the math.
Oh, stop. No. This is 1.
I'm kidding.
1
p.m.
time.
Eastern. And so that's an hour before FOMC. So
Yep.
We will be live streaming it and we will most likely see the volatility start picking up around that time. So
Guys,
Wow.
I'm so sorry to interrupt. I got excited. Let me know when you're done.
It's okay. I was just going to say I'm still short bias, but I would love to see if it can go fill the gap to the upside and then get rejected from there to see more continuation to the downside because we still have not swept the previous lows of the day. So would love to see those get swept out for sure.
It is true. It is true. What I was going to say, just a few little things to watch going forward here. I know we're wrapping up, but if I could, I'm going to switch my screen. It's going to be a little chaotic. You're going to see the full screen, but there's a few things that I want to show you on it. I think it is the easiest way.
Give me a sec. I don't think I see your screen right now.
I just switched it. So
let's see. Wait, where are you? Because I have two Alejandras. I'm like, which one?
I'm Carmen San Diego, brother. I don't know where I am.
Which one? That's
there
the
I am.
one,
Chaos.
right?
I know it's chaos, but we'll go full screen.
Whoa.
Okay. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. So the important thing to note is this daily trigger. This was why I monetized my put. I didn't know what we were going to do. I figured we'd at least test here. Looks like we may continue to roll. I just don't know, and I don't feel like guessing. We do have more liquidity below, but it is not bigger than the dominant put strike here. We have basically already achieved all we need to go down. We could go down further, but I would be fine if this is where we caught. If we look at the daily, we're seeing basically we're undercutting some key moving averages without completely blasting through them. So there's always the potential to catch and reclaim this 750 node, which is our 21-day moving average. Next stop down, the 50-day. I'm very interested in buying off the 50 as well, a reclaim of the 50. So maybe an undercut to 7,400. That node is growing and a reclaim gets us long. But until then, I'm very much in the not forcing this mindset, but just keep on watching. If you really gotta be in your bonnet, you gotta trade this, watch for either a reclaim of this big 74550 node on SPX where we just kind of rejected, or a loss of that, maybe on another retest. Maybe you just played the flush out the bottom. But for me, that's a little bit risky. So that's what I got for y'all there. Oh,
awesome,
actually,
awesome,
I'm sorry.
awesome.
One more thing while I'm here. What was I about to show y'all? This. So I will be keeping y'all posted as this node either gets faded or grows, the 7400 node. That's been creeping on up over that vertical kind of gray line that we see there. So the idea is until this one stops being the dominant node, I gotta kind of assume that there's more room to the upside to retest this, reclaim this, and even potentially go up to the 7470, 7500 and beyond. I don't know if it'll happen, but I am seeing gamma exposure stacked higher later in the week. So we shall see. I really want to hold 74 what I say, 74.20 to the downside on SPX otherwise. If this does outpace this, then hey, maybe we do get a acceleration trend down day and we get another 50 points on ES, on SPX. Always a possibility. Just giving you guys some contingencies there because I'm really not sure what's going to happen today, to be completely honest. And that's the nature of FOMC, right? We gambling.
Indeed, indeed, indeed.
What picture do you have in the background over there?
Oh, this is it's Cat Istanbul. It's a bunch of cats in Istanbul. So
Cat Istanbul, I like that.
Cute.
and I got 3 monitors, so this is a bigger image that's stretched over to the left too, and all that. There's some big stairs with a bunch of cats on those too. So I like cats. What can I say?
All right, guys, I gotta head out because I have a meeting with the boss.
Alrighty. Well, we'll see you guys soon, and
Yes.
it's been a fun one.
Yes,
Yeah, thank you
tomorrow.
guys for
Absolutely,
tuning in.
guys.
Thank you, Lavin, USAAM, and Colin, Christian, Zoe, Mr. Perfect, if you're still watching. Thank you, Anonymous. We'll see you guys
Whoa.
tomorrow morning and later
Tomorrow.
tonight on Trade the Pool.
Alrighty.
Great, guys.
Bye.
Yeah.